Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to prepare a really flavorful and perfect mutton recipe, which is the viral yakhni pulao. You must have seen it everywhere on YouTube, Instagram, everywhere people are preparing yakhni pulao, and it has been a hit and it has been viral everywhere. Might as well, I thought, why not prepare yakhni pulao myself with my variations and share it with you all. Trust me, this recipe is so amazing. Once when you eat it, you're not going to go back to the basic pulao that you prepare. So yakhni pulao is also prepared in India as well as Pakistan, so these are the two regions where it's mainly prepared, and it involves a slow cooking process where the succulent meat is cooked until it's tender in water and spices, and the broth that you get is called yakhni. And then the basmati rice is cooked into the same broth so that all the flavor is absorbed by the rice and you get a perfectly flavored yakhni pulao at the end. And trust me, this is the best recipe that I have tried. Prepared it myself and I have tried because it's just heaven. It's just the most amazing comfort food that you can try. Full of flavor, the spices are well balanced. It also includes yogurt, so if the spice level is high, it balances out very well. And if you want, you can also prepare some raita at the side, mixed raita, and have it with the yakhni pulao, or you can just straight away have it directly without any other side dish. It tastes so good. Check out this entire recipe and try it out for yourself and let me know in the comment section how it turns out for you. Trust me, you are gonna love it because normally biryani is my first favorite dish, but ever since I've tried yakhni pulao, this has become my second, or might as well, I would just say it is matching the level of biryani. So to try it out and let me know in the comment section how it turns out for you. Let's start making yakhni pulao. Heat 2 heaped tablespoon ghee in a pressure cooker, and when it's hot enough, add the whole spices. So I've added 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom, 4 cloves, 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon of peppercorns, and when it's aromatic, add around 2 to 3 sliced onions. Fry the onions until they are translucent and then add 1 kg of mutton. Season the mutton with salt and give it a good stir. Cook on high flame until the mutton attains a nice golden color. Add 1 heaped tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix everything well. Add 3 crushed green chilies for extra spice, mix everything well and add 7 cups of hot water. Give it a final stir and cover and cook on high flame for 1 whistle and medium flame for 4 whistles. Once the mutton is cooked, strain it out into a bowl, and the broth which is collected is called the yakhni. For the pulao, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee, add 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 green and 1 black cardamom. Once aromatic, add 2 onions, fry until golden brown, and then add the cooked mutton pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 2 tablespoons of garam masala. Add 1 whole cup of curd or yogurt and mix everything well together. Once the yogurt is cooked enough, adjust the salt and add 3 cups of soaked basmati rice. I have soaked the rice for almost 45 minutes. Gently stir everything together till well combined. Be as gentle as possible to avoid breaking the basmati rice. Once combined well, add 6 cups of the yakhni. Adjust salt and spice and cover to cook on low to medium flame until the rice is perfectly done. The flavorful and authentic yakhni pulao is ready to be served. Sure, you must have enjoyed this recipe and have probably started to drool over it because it looks so good and tastes so amazing. So do try it out for yourself and let me know in the comment section how it turns out for you. Also, check out all my other videos and all my other recipes, and if you have any suggestions to provide, then please do comment down and let me know, and I'll be happy to accept the suggestions and use it for any of my future videos. If you want any specific recipes to be shared, comment down and let me know about it, so I will shoot them for you and share it with you soon. I have got a few pending recipes which will be coming up. Trust me, they are in the list. They are coming up very soon. So stay tuned and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. When I reach the 500 subscriber milestone, I will start taking shout outs, whether it's for birthday, anniversaries, occasion shout outs, or just normal shout outs. So I will start taking them once I reach the 500 target. So help me to reach the 500 goal as soon as possible. Share my videos and my channel with your family and friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to it. And click on the bell icon so that you get notified of every upcoming recipes I post. Until then, take care and stay safe.